What is Buddha Dharmam? When you are enlightened, there is a Dharmam. Before your enlightenment, there is another Dharmam. After your enlightenment, there is another Dharmam. What is Buddha Dharmam? What is the Dharma of a Buddha? What is Buddha Dharmam? The Dharma of a Buddha. The Dharma of a non-Buddha is different. The Dharma of a Buddha is different. The Dharma of a non-enlightened person is different. The Dharma of an enlightened person is different. What is the Buddha Dharma? What is the Kartavya of a Buddha? The Kartavya of a Buddha, the Dharma of a Buddha is to help another person become a Buddha. That is the Buddha Dharma. Now you live for others. Now you take care of others. Now you are always lending a helping hand to others. That is the Buddha Dharma. So first you seek enlightenment. Then you seek the Dharma of the enlightened person. Then Buddha Sangham Sharanam Gacchami. Now this great gathering here is the great Buddha Sangha. This is the Sangha of all Buddhas. This is the Sangha of all those people who are desperately interested in enlightenment. Who can't live without enlightenment. Like a fish cannot live without water, a Buddha cannot live without this Buddha Sangha. The society, a community of enlightened beings is called a Buddha Sangha. There is the first Buddham, then there is Buddha Dharmam, action of the Buddha, then there is the Buddha Sangham. Pyramid spiritual societies movement is the grandest possible Buddha Sangha on this earth, right now, or anywhere in the creation. The more you do meditation, you will understand this point. The more you read books, you will understand this point that the pyramid spiritual society movement is the greatest Buddha Sangha. Now in the creation, we are so very great. We are so very wonderful persons. That's why we want to come back here again and again and again. We want to seek the company of Buddhas. And we are always in the Buddha Dharma. Whoever comes with a little less enlightenment than us, then we say, "Hi guy, come here. Now you have to fine tune here. You have to read this book. You have to do this meditation. Go to that person and learn something from that person. Go to this person and learn something from them." So we guide. That is the Buddha Dharma. We seek enlightenment within ourselves, then we seek the Buddha Dharma, the action, the Kartavya, the Dharma of the Buddha. Then we seek the company of Buddhas. When one Buddha is there, there is great celebration. There are two Buddhas are there, greater celebration. Then so many Buddhas are together here. What a great celebration it is. There are degrees of enlightenment. There are degrees of buddhi. There are degrees of Buddhahood. Good, better, best. Whenever two persons meet, two Buddhas meet, either they keep quiet or they discuss only enlightenment. If anything else comes in, then you have to become a little more enlightened. Buddhi is about quality in thinking, quality in eating, quality in speaking, quality in writing, quality in thinking. Enlightenment in thinking, enlightenment in eating, enlightenment in speaking, enlightenment in writing, enlightenment in shaking hands, in embracing. Only one enlightened person can understand another enlightened person. Sanjay King is playing so much, or Ganesh is playing so much. What can you understand what they are playing? You need to be a great musician to understand what they are playing. Similarly, less enlightened people cannot understand more enlightened people. It's prima facie ruled out. They can enjoy their company, but they cannot understand them. You can enjoy the music, but you cannot understand the music. To understand the music, lot of effort is required to understand, to practice, to learn the science and art and science of music. Similarly, to be able to enjoy another enlightened person, you need a lot of enlightenment. Otherwise, you cannot understand any enlightened person. The more enlightened persons can understand the less enlightened person, but the less enlightened person cannot understand the more enlightened person. He thinks something is wrong, strange with this fellow. Either wrong or strange. Or, I can't understand this fellow. Maybe he's right, maybe he's wrong, I don't know. When you understand, when you gather more enlightenment within yourself, then you will understand. These 7 days, we are living here in the Buddha Sangha, where everybody is a Buddha here. Remember that point. So, you have to learn, talk to each and every person to gather some light from that person. That is the purpose of these 7 days. Congregation of Buddhas. The more your enlightenment, the more your enjoyment of life, the more the celebration in life, the more the oneness in life. All personal problems vanish when you are enlightened. People come for clearing their personal problems, but they should not come to clear their personal problems. They must come here to have more enlightenment. In that scheme of more enlightenment, your personal problems will be automatically solved, whatever it is. Don't concentrate on personal problems. Concentrate on seeking enlightenment, more and more light, understanding things. When Gandhiji said, Sabko Sanmati De Bhagwan, what is that Sanmati? That is Buddhi, that is Buddham, that is enlightenment. The word Sanmati, सबको, सबको, किसी एक को नहीं, सबको. दे भगवान, परंतु कोई भगवान ऊपर से देने वाला नहीं है. हमें अपने आप को सुशिक्षित बनना ही है. We have to seek training in enlightenment. कोई भी देता नहीं. If you don't seek, nobody is going to give you. If you seek, everybody is going to give you. It is the seeking that is important. That seeking is called as Sharanam Gacchami. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. I seek enlightenment. I seek Sanmati. I don't want Sanmati. I want only Rupaya. I don't want Sanmati. I want only good husband. I don't want Sanmati. I want obedient wife. I don't want Sanmati. I want only my child. I don't want Sanmati. I want a big building. I don't want Sanmati. I want to become MLA. I don't want Sanmati. What you should seek is Sanmati. Sabko Sanmati De Bhagwan. What is Sanmati? Sanmati is nothing but Buddham. The word Sanmati, the word Buddham, the word enlightenment are equivalent words. सबको सन्मति दे भगवान. देने वाला भगवान. आप स्वयं भगवान हैं. आप तो लेने वाले भगवान हैं, पाने वाले भगवान हैं. कोई देने वाला भगवान नहीं. लेने वाला भगवान है, पाने वाला भगवान है. शरण लेने वाला भगवान है, शरण देने वाला भगवान नहीं है. Nobody is there to give you any refuge. No person. Sanjay Kingi cannot give music to anybody. How can Vardhaman Mahavir give enlightenment to anybody? Nobody can give music to anybody. स्वामी जी थोड़ा म्यूजिक दीजिए. हमारे स्वामी जी को दीजिए ना. संजय किंगी जी Give music to him. Swamiji, ask. So, देव भगवान, कोई देव भगवान नहीं है.